go that way, Fire Truck Rocket.
Ooh, the Sarawak chamber is humongous.
It's the biggest underground chamber in the whole world.
Whoa!
Rocket found the way out.
Oh no! Those big rocks fell and blocked the way!
Rocket is trapped. But he needs to get out of the cave so he can save the monkey.
Rocket knows what to do. He can use his rescue spreader to push apart the big rocks. When I push the button, say, Rescue Spreader! Rescue Spreader!
Go, Fire Truck Rocket!
Uh-oh! Rocket's having trouble pushing the rocks apart.
They're too big and heavy.
Rocket needs our help.
I can help you, Rocket. I can sing a special song to help Rocket push the rocks far apart. We're gonna push, push, push and overnight. Come on, help Rocket push the rocks. Sing with me. We're gonna push, push, push and overnight. It's working. We're helping Rocket push the big rocks apart. But we need to push them even farther so we can get out of the cave. Sing louder. We're gonna push, push, push and open wide. Hooray! We did it! Now Rocket can get out of the cave.
Way to go!
Great singing, Annie.
Thanks, team. And thank you for singing with me.
Uh-oh. I hear something loud and rumbling. What's making